Hey guys, my name is Jordan. What a hot day it is here. So because of lockdown, I decided that, my goal, well, it's been improved. And I think I like it. It's, really, really cool. All I did was take a trampoline net and attach it to my goal with various items. I, used cable ties on the sides. And this is just a dog leash, 2 of them. Shout out to my dad for helping me with this. So yeah, I thought I'd make a shooting video with my new and improved goal. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I just wanna feel you're alone. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this next one was amazing. Oh, crossbar! Oh, crossbar! Okay, so I think I might have knuckleballed this one. Can you guys see it? I mean, okay, let's take a closer look. Here we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you never miss another video. Stay safe. Goodbye.